Hyaluronic acid is there in like every skincare, hair care product, face creams, face moisturizers, lip treatments, and it is marketed like this really great hydrating agent which is going to hydrate your skin like anything. If you have used any serum, any face cream, any moisturizer, any shampoo, anything with hyaluronic acid, you might have realized that it does not hydrate your skin as much as for the brands they advertise. In fact, I had applied this, face serum with hyaluronic acid a while ago. And I realized there's a lot of misinformation that is spread about this one ingredient, especially by brands, because obviously they want to sell their products. But I think it's really important as a consumer or as just a person who is getting really good moisturized skin, you need to know what hyaluronic acid actually is and what it does. And then you can decide as a layperson whether or not you want to spend your money on hyaluronic acid or products that contain hyaluronic acid. If you see any product which on the main label says HA, that stands for hyaluronic acid, or if you are going through the ingredient list and you see something as sodium hyaluronate, that is basically your hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, they are of two types. One is the high molecular weight and one is the low molecular weight. When there's any skincare active, it has to be smaller size for our skin to be able to absorb them. Bigger molecules stay on your skin, obviously because your skin can't absorb big molecules. Smaller molecules can go into your skin, they can actually penetrate into your skin. Different active ingredients have different molecule sizes which work on different parts of your skin. Not necessarily big molecules are very bad and small molecules are good, they just have different uses. Coming back to hyaluronic acid, it has bigger molecules. Hyaluronic acid is something that is really found in our body actually produces it. Those molecules are bigger molecules. Now when it comes to hydrating your skin, this is actually not a bad thing at all. Hyaluronic acid is actually a humectant. Now what do humectants do? They're a category of moisturizing agents, you could call them. Basically attract moisture from the atmosphere and put that moisture on your skin. Now the issue that I have with hyaluronic acid, and which I know a lot of other dermats and other people who have worked more in this field and who have done their research in this field, have the fact that if you are in a drier area, if you are in an area where there's not enough humidity, hyaluronic acid will then start finding out moisture from other places. So whatever moisture is there in your skin, in the deeper layers of your skin, will start attracting that moisture and put that on your skin. On the topmost layer of your skin, it will put that hydration. If you want to apply hyaluronic acid, it's really important that number one, you apply this product only when you are in a humid climate. For example, I'm in Bombay, I stay in Mumbai, so the humidity here is insane. So it is a good idea to apply hyaluronic acid while in Bombay. But let's say you are in a place like Delhi where the climate is really dry. High chances hyaluronic acid is probably going to make your skin even drier. And if you are from Delhi or staying in a place where there's less humidity and you have applied hyaluronic acid, please let me know in the comments, because I'm sure you must have faced this issue. Now the issue with low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is there is no study that actually proves that the low molecular weight hyaluronic acid and the high molecular weight hyaluronic acid work the same. In fact, high molecular weight hyaluronic acid is actually known to heal wounds. If you have any active acne, you have any irritation on your skin, it will actually help to soothe your skin. When the studies were done, the low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is the tinier molecules, they ended up irritating the skin more than healing the skin. If you have to apply this product, number one, if you want to go to an event, should you apply hyaluronic acid? Absolutely. It instantly plumps your skin. It makes your skin look much more younger, more youthful. If you have wrinkles and stuff, it will reduce the appearance for the time being. However, long-term benefits are not really there. So, something to think about. However, if you have an event or function, you can absolutely apply. Always apply hyaluronic acid product. It could be a serum, it could be a face cream, whatever, on damp skin. That way you are giving your hyaluronic acid moisture content so that it can actually attract moisture for that source and put that on your skin, right? You don't want your skin to kind of get dried out. Now the next thing that's really important is to seal that product on your skin. So you're applying a serum with hyaluronic acid. It's always a good idea to just take a facial oil. You can take something like squalene. You just take a drop or two of that, rub that on your palms and apply that on your face. It's a very, very lightweight face oil, but that is going to seal everything on your face. Your face is not going to get drier once you remove hyaluronic acid, or even if you are staying in a drier climate. My personal thoughts and my personal take when it comes to hyaluronic acid is I do not really wish to pay for that product. If there is a product and the main ingredient is hyaluronic acid, I am not really willing to pay for hyaluronic acid, to be very honest. However, if there is a product which has other benefits and it has hyaluronic acid, will I buy it? High chances I might. Maybe I might not if I don't like the product or whatever the formulation. But if I like the other ingredients and this is just a part of that, great. But I will never buy a product just because it has hyaluronic acid in it. It does not really do much. Once it goes off, it has not really done anything great for your skin. While it is there, it is good. So for events and stuff, great. Underneath makeup, great. It will make sure that your face remains moist. But after that, I do feel my skin always feels much more drier. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.